So why is Soldier Boy back in the news? Well, apparently he signed a $400 million deal. That's right, $400 million. But the curious thing about this deal is that Soldier Boy has yet to announce whom the deal is with, whether it's another individual or a larger company. Soldier Boy has yet to announce who the deal is with, so I'm here today to speculate because this is a lot of money. $400 million is no joke, so this must be the deal of the century. So I'm going to give my best guess as to what that is. So we all know Soldier Boy is a very internet savvy guy. You know, he was one of the first artists to be internationally recognized from the MySpace era. So I think it's a safe guess to say that this deal might have something to do with technology. More specifically, it might have something to do with television or film. So if you guys keep up with the reality TV shows, you may know that Soulja Boy is regularly featured on Love and Hip Hop Hollywood. And also he put out the Soulja Boy movie, which I have here. I definitely recommend checking it out. If you haven't seen it, definitely worth a watch. But so I think if the deal's not related to something with technology or the internet, I think the movie industry might be something. Soldier Boy hinted at this possibility on Twitter, saying that the $400 million deal has been confirmed and CBS, Fox, and Forbes have been fighting over his story. So the deal might be television or movie related, but again, this is just speculation. Another guess I had is that for $400 million, this deal could be like a lifetime residency at a world famous club or venue. In 2014, Britney Spears signed a 2-year residency deal in Las Vegas worth about $30 million. So for $400 million, this idea might seem a bit far-fetched, but it is a possibility. Whatever the deal does turn out to be, I don't believe it'll be in relation to any of Soulja Boy's current businesses like the Boulevard Supply clothing line, the SBZ Light shoes, or the Phantom Smoke hookahs. Those companies just don't seem like they're worth $400 million. So lastly, guys, I just wanted to point out that if this deal does turn out to be true, then this will put Soulja Boy in conversation with some of hip hop's other cash kings like P. Diddy, 50 Cent, Birdman. He's not quite on Dr. Dre level yet, but when it's all said and done, and with this new $400 million deal, Soulja Boy might one day be the richest rapper to ever walk this earth. So that's my speculation, but I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. Give me your best guess as to what this $400 million deal is about.